Picture this. It's 6 a.m., your toddler is already screaming for breakfast, the baby is crying for a diaper change, and you haven't even had a sip of coffee. Parenting is a constant balancing act, but what if I told you there are 10 parenting hacks that can not only save your sanity, but also make your life a whole lot easier? Stick around because life hack number 10 will blow your mind. Let's dive right in with hack number 1, organize toys the smart way. Toys, everywhere. Sound familiar? Here's the solution, color-coded bins. Each bin is designated for a different type of toy, blocks in one, stuffed animals in another. Not only does this make cleanup faster, but your kids will learn where things belong. A quick cleanup hack that even toddlers can understand. And here's a pro tip. Label each bin with pictures of the toys, so your little ones know exactly where everything goes, even if they can't read yet. Moving on to hack number 2, this one's a game changer. Create a snack station for independence. Kids are always hungry, and it feels like they ask for snacks 1,000 times a day. To cut down on the interruptions, create a low-level snack station in the fridge or pantry. Fill it with healthy snacks that are easy for your kids to grab themselves. Think fruit, cheese sticks, or pre-portioned snacks. Now, they can help themselves when hunger strikes, and you won't be running back and forth every 10 minutes. On to hack number 3. This one is especially for those hectic mornings. Lay out clothes the night before. Mornings can be pure chaos, but this simple trick can give you a head start. Before bed, lay out your kids' clothes for the next day. This eliminates the morning argument over what to wear and saves you precious minutes when you need them most. You can even get your kids involved by letting them choose their outfits ahead of time. Trust me, this hack will make your mornings smoother. Now let's get to hack number 4. It's all about bedtime routines. Use a visual bedtime routine chart. Getting kids to bed can feel like an epic battle, but a visual bedtime chart can make the process smoother. Create a simple chart that outlines their nighttime routine. Brush teeth, put on pajamas, read a book, and lights out. Kids love having a routine they can see, and checking off each task helps them feel in control. Plus, it reduces the amount of times you'll hear, "But I'm not tired." On to hack number 5. This one's a lifesaver during tantrums, the calm down kit. When tantrums strike, you need a quick way to bring calm to the chaos. Enter the calm down kit, a small box filled with sensory toys, stress balls, coloring books, or anything else that helps your child relax. Keep it in a designated spot, and when emotions run high, offer it to your child as a way to calm down. Not only does this hack provide a distraction, but it also teaches self-soothing techniques. Alright, let's keep the momentum going with hack number 6. This one's all about bath time. Use a laundry basket in the tub. Bath time can turn into a wild adventure, especially for younger kids who tend to slip and slide all over the place. Here's a clever trick. Place a laundry basket inside the bathtub. Your child sits in the basket, which keeps their toys within reach and prevents them from moving too much. It's a safer and more controlled way to handle bath time, and bonus, cleanup is easier too. Moving on to hack number 7. This will help keep your car clean and organized. If your car looks like a tornado hit it after every trip, you need this hack. Invest in a backseat organizer that hangs on the back of your car seat. You can store snacks, wipes, toys, and books all within arm's reach. This not only keeps your car tidy, but also gives your kids access to what they need, reducing the number of times they ask you for something while you're driving. And now for hack number 8, it's all about saving time during mealtimes. Mealtime can be stressful, especially when you're juggling kids and work. To make it easier, try batch cooking. Spend one day a week preparing meals in bulk, soups, casseroles, or pasta dishes, and store them in the fridge or freezer. That way, you only need to reheat meals during the week, saving you tons of time and energy. Plus, it cuts down on the temptation to order takeout. Here comes hack number 9. This will keep your home cleaner for longer. The key to a cleaner house? Shoes off at the door. Set up a shoe rack or basket near your entryway and make it a rule that shoes don't go past the door. This reduces the amount of dirt and grime that gets tracked through your house. You can even make it fun for the kids by letting them decorate their own shoe spot. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, hack number 10. This one might just change the way you parent forever. Feeling overwhelmed by constant no's? Here's a radical idea. Have a yes day. One day where your kids get to call the shots, within reason of course. Let them decide what to eat, where to go, and what activities to do. It might sound chaotic, but here's the trick. You set boundaries ahead of time. The result? Your kids feel empowered, and you get a break from decision fatigue. Plus, it builds trust and strengthens your relationship. And there you have it, 10 parenting life hacks that can seriously make your life easier. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tips.